Hello, guys. Welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 25th February current affairs. Welcome to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, PLI scheme for IT hardware. Last month we have seen there is a PLI scheme, that is production linked incentive scheme for medicines. Now it's time for the IT hardware. In that IT hardware, it consists of servers, laptop, PCs, all-in-one PCs these all are comes under IT hardware. Most of the we know the companies different types. There are different types of companies in market. They are HP, Dell, Asus, Apple and Sony. These are the major laptop companies. If you see that most of the we are importing from other countries, there is no manufacturing hubs are in India. That's why there is a PLI production linked incentive scheme are introduced in the IT hardware also. Then it can boost the manufacturing sector in India. That's why the scheme proposes production linked incentive to boost domestic manufacturing and attract large investments in the value of chain of IT hardware. Here this scheme shall extend an incentive of 4%, 2% or 1% on net incremental sales over a base year 2019 to 2020 of goods manufactured in India and covered under the target segment to eligible companies for a period of 4 years. Here, to provide impetus to domestic manufacturing, target segments include laptops, tablets, all-in-one PCs, and servers. To benefit 5 major global players and 10 domestic manufacturers of laptops, tablets, all-in-one PCs, and at the same time servers also. That is production linked incentive scheme for IT hardware. Next one, criminal conspiracy. Why it is in news? Here we know that there is a toolkit case about Disha Ravi. She applied for her, she is going for bail. That there is a Delhi police is putting case on her criminal conspiracy, but Delhi High Court has rejected that conspiracy case on Disha Ravi. Then we will see the definition of this criminal conspiracy and what it will happen or what are the conditions to be satisfied for this criminal conspiracy on any person. Here section 120A of the Indian Penal Code IPC defines the criminal conspiracy, that is section 120B prescribe the punishment for it. Here very important sections are important. Section 120A of the IPC defines the criminal conspiracy as well as 120 prescribes the punishment for it. Here an agreement, the important word agreement between two or more persons to commit a criminal offence constitute the offence of criminal conspiracy. Here the most important word agreement between two persons. Here only an agreement is necessary and sufficient to establish the charge of conspiracy even the actual conspiracy offence itself not has been committed. Here underline the word most important line, that is statement even if the actual criminal offence itself has not been committed, then we can go with in that case also we can go for criminal conspiracy. Here criminal conspiracy is a substantive offence itself. That is about criminal conspiracy and Disha Ravi. Here there is an interesting article, that is there are 3 words we will discuss, that is Kodokushi, Karoshi and Hikikomori. These are the Japan words. Here strange to our Indian language, but once again I will read, then you can understand Kodokushi, Karoshi and Hikikomori. Here Japan appointed a minister of loneliness after the country's suicide rate went up to for the first time in the 11 years. Here what are the major reasons for these suicides? The first one, Japan's aging population, that is over 20% of the country's population is more than 65 years old. We know that is India is a young India. Whereas Japan, if you see the population, over the 20% of the country population is more than 65 years old. The major first region is aging population of Japan. Here next one, if you see the Kodokushi, which means loneliness. Due to this aging population, they want to socialize their life in a society. That's why there is a lonely deaths are increasing. Here another word karoshi, which means due to death due to overwork. We know that longest working hours are in implemented in Japan. That's why due to overwork there is also a death. That's why that is we will call it as a karoshi. Hikikomori, that is the culture of self isolation has spread to such extreme in the country. That is self isolation of a person. That's why these three words are very important: Kodokushi, Karoshi, and Hikikomori. Next one, Narendra Modi Stadium. Here there is a first India's Test England against England is the first match at the brand new Motera. The name of the place after it was refurbished and converted into a 110,000 seater facility. Here Motera Cricket Stadium is the world's largest cricket stadium, has been renamed after from Sardar Patel Stadium to Narendra Modi Stadium. Here, if you see the third statement, that is naming it after a politician was a in line with the decades old practice. It is a old practice in the Indian sport, especially in cricket. That's why Narendra Modi, when he is alive also, that named as a Narendra Modi Stadium for this world's largest cricket stadium of capacity of 110,000. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye-bye.